Right, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Hello everybody, and it's going to be for an alarm clock. This is Rite Aid. It's right there, 1999 for this guy right here. We have alarm clock from MemOrex. And it's an AM FM radio. It says, "I'll wake you up in style." Yeah, we'll see about that. It's 1999. How much style do you think it has? Hopefully it has a lot. So that's the box. And it's a fairly small box. Not too big. And I think that's French. So we'll get to that in a sec. This is the bag it comes with. Rite Aid Pharmacy. With us, it's personal. Very good. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. See what we get for 20 bucks. You could just pop it open right there. That's okay. And now we're going inside. So immediately we got the cable, which probably just plugs into the wall. Your standard GFCI cable. Oops. Got some styrofoam to protect the alarm clock itself. 2 pieces. And we got some sort of instruction manual right here. So this is standard issue with radios, alarm clocks, stereos. The directions are probably in different languages. This one's Mise en garde. I don't know, is that French? Yeah. And then we have English. And on the back, of course, we have Advertencia, Spanish. So it's just telling you basically what its functions are. Sleep button, time button. We have a tuning button. Wake up to radio or buzzer. Sleep to radio. So it's got a couple of cool functions on here. And that's kind of living up to what its motto was. "I'll wake you up in style." And the specifications are AC 120 volts to 60 hertz, battery backup 9 volt DC, and radio FM goes from 87.5 to 108, and AM 530 to 1710. It's distributed by MemCE Limited Liability Company, Minnesota, USA. So they're sending these things out over there. And let's just get to this right here real quick. So it comes with some bubble wrap. Can you resist a pop a piece? Nope. Nope. Okay. And then this is it. This is what you get right here for 20 bucks. 20 bones. You can take this piece out. There it goes. It's pretty durable. I don't think it's gonna break too easily if you wake up suddenly late for work and smash the button and it falls on the ground. Should stay okay. We got your auto off on switch. Battery is optional right there as well. Looks like it is size, it's a D most likely. D battery. One times 9 volt. It's a D battery. You can get them at any supermarket, most likely. AM FM alarm clock, right here. Here's your dial. FM, AM, tuning button. You have your volume button. Nice, sleek, modern design. And the buttons on top. Sleep time, alarm, snooze, hour, minute. So it's your typical standard alarm clock. Nothing too fancy, but for 20 bucks, yeah, pretty sure it does the job. Yeah. Now we're gonna open this up. This twine is gonna just unravel itself. There it goes. It's a little tricky. There. So it's about let's see here. It's about 3 feet long cable or cord, I should say, to connect to whatever outlet you want. I'll go ahead and plug it in real quick. There you go. Check that out. 12 o'clock. Let's see if the radio works.
Pitch he throws Morris is normal fastball. 2 outs, runner at third. Here's a payout pitch. Check swing.
Still in my pants though, all VVS's. Put you in a necklace, girl you look beautiful tonight. Stars on the roof, they matching with the drugs. Damn, my hippie going psycho, lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Momo, for clowns and all the balls. Oh, hippie going psycho, lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show.
Obviously the radio works.
Up in the yard?
Yes, sir.
We're moving, and that's just part of the stuff.
We got a good alarm clock right here for 20 bucks.